Hello guys, this is me again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my unboxing knife. That's so rare. One of the masterpieces. So here we go. We're unboxing a leg guard of Dominar oblique, also known as the engine guard. And I'll be telling you guys about how is it installed and how many bolts and other queries. Other than that, you guys can drop down the comment in the comment section if you have any queries about the leg guard. As you can see, Zana International has packed it very nicely. It's been packed in double layers. This is the bill, I guess. This is the bill. They have stuck it with a sellotape all around, so it doesn't gets a chance to even be misplaced. Here we open the bill. It's little tough as they have done the packing very nicely, and here we have the bill finally. It costed me around 4,140 rupees. Sorry, don't mind the focus. My camera wasn't focusing at that point. I tried my level best, but the text was out of the focus. It costed me around 4,140 rupees, the invoice value. So here we go, we unbox the inner layer, we are opening the inner layer, and here is the leg guard, finally unveiling. Sorry guys, I won't be revealing that I won't be unboxing that leg guard. I guess the cover that is wrapped on the leg guard, because I'll be needing to get it installed, so I don't want that I get any scratches or any problem while I transport it for the installation purpose. So these are the crash guards, and there are bolts provided for the crash guard. As you can see, there are bolts provided. They are long enough to hold the crash guard on the chassis, and there are more bolts wrapped in that leg guard, obviously that yellow wrapping. So as you guys can see, they have done a very nice packing. They have put both the side leg guards very properly. It's also written crash guard dominar black color. My dominar is matte black, so the black color is, although black color is universal and always comes in black color, I guess, as far as I know. So that's another part, the leg guard, the other side. This one is the left side leg guard, and that's the right side leg guard. Putting it back together.